Alright guys, so I did a review of this surge protector from Kobalt, okay, and I had a guy by the screen name of Gator Wing, Gatorwing, ask me if I tried it to see if it would blow the circuit, the reset. Well, I hadn't, but I thought, well, maybe I should give it a try. So here's my test, guys. This is a Rockwell 7 1/4. Got this way back in the 80s. It shows 13 amp on the nameplate. This is a saw I've had forever. I actually bought this thing used at a garage sale. Figured I'm going to use this. It's a Rockwell 7 1/4, 315, just the old one. Model 315. And that's what this thing is. And I bought this because I thought, well, I'm going to use it for junk work. Put carborundum blade in there, cut out concrete, concrete blade. Just do all my shit work with it. And if it burns up, no big deal. How the thing held up beautifully, okay? And then this is my Sawzall, a Porter cable. And I don't know what the nameplate's not on there. This is from back in the 80s, so I don't know what the amp rating on that is. Like I said, this is 13 amp. I gotta assume this is 13, at least 15 amp, maybe the older ones like this. And who knows what this is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn them all on, see what happens. Okay, here we go, guys. I've got 3 tools in 2 hands. So I'm gonna use this clamp to clamp the switch on to this saw because it doesn't have a blade. This one has a blade. I want more control. So this will be turned on by my hand, and so will my Sawzall. Let's turn each one on separately. You can see the light down there. It takes a long time for that to slow down. It doesn't have electric brake. And then we have the Sawzall. Okay, let's do it. Well, guys, I'm not an electrician. I guarantee, say that was 13, and I don't know what this would be. Like I said, the nameplate's not on it anymore. But 30-some amps on this. So I don't know if that just means it got a good breaker in the house, because all my outlets in the garage that this is plugged into are on their own circuit. The lights, I have one for a welder, the outlets, my air compressors. So, but there you are. It didn't blow it. If anybody knows why, let me know. Obviously, there wasn't enough here with all 3 of these tools to do anything to that. Now, something else I did, guys, is off camera, I let all 3 tools run for well over a minute. And then I checked the end of the plug of this Kobalt unit and had absolutely no warmth to the end of the plug. So, I don't know. Apparently there wasn't enough here to throw the reset on the Kobalt surge protector. So, guess I'm pretty happy about that. I would have, in practical use, I would never, first off, I'd be the only one using it, but if you had a crew of guys, I would never allow a crew of guys use 3 tools like that on one of those. But that was quite interesting to see that there was no issue with the fuses, the circuit breaker on my panel at the house, nor did it throw the breaker there on the Kobalt.